Hello world, hi. Confused about how to make correct English sentences. This is very major problem. Even in our country and all over South Asia, because English isn't my first language. English is our second language. That's why we are feeling this kind of confused. Is this language is correct or wrong? We are really hesitation this kind of correct sentences. But in this video, I will explain how you can correct sentences make in a 1 minute or 2 minutes with very easy and simple way. Learn how to form sentences using subject, object, verb, and practice with example, and start is English speaking confidently. Like that, why sentence structure is important. Correct grammar, better communication, and fluency. Preview. Today we'll learn the basic English sentence structure example and exercise so you can start forming sentences easily. Part 1, the basic sentence structure. Part 1 is basic sentence structure. Introduce the building blocks of English sentences, like the most common structure is subject plus verb equal object. This is a very common English sentence structure. Like I eat rice. I eat rice. Here I subject, eat verb, and rice is object. This is very common. Or she reads a book. Here she is her subject, reads verb, and book object. This is very common English sentence structure. That is simple subject plus verb, like sentence without an object. He sleeps, they run. He subject sleep verb and he run. His subject run verb. This is very common, and every sentence has subject plus verb plus object, because this is called a must be, using three kind of sentence or three kind of object. Subject plus verb equal object. And explanation, right? Who or what the sentence is about. Like verb, action or state of being. Verb, action or state of being. Like object, who or what receive the action. Like number 1 is sender and 2 is receiver. Subject, who is sender, this is called sender and verb. Action, this is called a middle point, and object is who will receive your action, this is called a receiver. Type of basic sentences, 4 minutes. Like declarative sentence, statement, example, I like chocolate. I like chocolate. Function, gives information. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Like this is called a question mark. This is called the example, do you like chocolate? Ask something, do you like chocolate, or do you like tea, or do you like coffee, or do you like cinema, or do you like movie, or do you like watching podcast? Number 3 is imperative sentence. This is called a command and request base. Like example, like please sit down here. This is called a command or request. Please sit down here. And number 4 is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, like this is called a strong or emotion based. Like what a beautiful day. What a amazing scenario here. What an amazing scenario here. This is called a emotion based. Part 3 is common sentence pattern. This is called a common sentence pattern, like subject plus verb plus object. She plays football. She subject plays verb and football is object. Or subject plus verb plus complement, like he is happy. Complement describe the object, he is happy. He equals subject is verb and complement is happy. It's called a happy. And number 3 is subject plus verb plus indirect, direct and direct. Like example, I give my friend a gift. I gave my friend a gift. I gave my friend a gift. I gave my friend a gift. Like direct object is called give. Indirect, my friend. This is called direct and indirect. And subject plus verb plus object plus adverb. Like he reads a book quickly. He reads a book quickly. Like describe how the action is done. Describe how the action is done. Practical exercise 2 or 3 minutes for per day. Like let's do your practice forming sentences. Like create three sentences using subject plus verb plus object structure and convert statement into a question. Like I like tea. Do you like tea? I like tea. Do you like tea? Add adjective, add verb to make sentence more interesting. Like the cat sleep. The black cat sleep quietly. The black cat sleep quietly. Tip number 5. Tips to remember 1 or 2 minutes. Like always start with subject. You must have subject any kind of new sentences and use simple verb for beginner. Keep your sentence short and clear. Practice forming 3 or 5 sentences daily using subject plus verb plus object patterns. Gradually and adjective, verb and complement to make sentence longer. Thank you everyone for watching this kind of content. I can't prolong this content because time is too short, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your sentence structure. See you soon with another content, and if you feel this content will be helpful for your English speaking journey, you can follow or subscribe my channel.